Hi guys, today we're going to make a Filipino dish called Adobong pusit. First, heat up a pot over medium-low heat and pour in oil. Then sauté the onions until it softens. Once you see the onions become soft, add in the garlic and keep on sautéing until the garlic turns light brown. Next step is to add your squid and cook it for about 3 minutes. Then stir in your soy sauce, and finally pour in vinegar. Once you put your vinegar, do not mix it until it boils. At this point, you can add more pepper to taste, and it's also optional to add sugar to compromise the sourness of the vinegar. Let it cook for about 5 more minutes. If you like to have a thicker sauce, just remove the squid from the pot and let the sauce boil until it thickens. We always eat this dish with rice, so I recommend you to cook some rice and eat it with rice as well.